Hi guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you today, because I know you've already seen my video on the Japanese steakhouse homemade ginger dressing, copycat on that famous ginger dressing, right? Okay, so because you've already seen that, I'm going to show you how to turn that dressing into a marinade. We've got our chicken, and this is boneless, skinless chicken breast, okay? And it's cut into chunks, you can see. Cut into good bite-sized chunks, generous bite-sized chunks. All right, now into our bag is our chicken, and goes some of our homemade ginger dressing. Ha, so excited. And then into that is going to go a little bit of our soy and scallion dressing. And if you haven't seen that, make sure you check out that video, okay? So easy, so super easy. Oh my word. And that is just really, really yummy. Then we're going to add a good hit of our Chinese rice wine vinegar. It's a cooking wine. All right? And a little bit of fresh lemon juice. All right. Now, zip that up. And you can even put this just straight into a bowl, you guys. It can go into a bowl. The only thing is you'll have to, give it a little bit of a toss every now and then. All right? I like doing them in a bag, doing my marinades in a bag, because it's just so easy. See that? You just mush it around. And there you go, ready to go. Put it in your bowl like that. If it's gonna be pretty soon, if it's not gonna be very long before dinner time, just leave it out at room temperature, okay? The chicken is still cool, so it's not gonna hurt anything. If it's gonna go for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, just pop it back in the fridge, okay? And then every 30 minutes or so, flip it over just like that, okay? And when that's ready, we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how to fix that up for dinner. Now, our chicken has been marinating for about an hour and a half, and we are ready to cook it up. You can cook it in a big skillet. You can cook it in a wok. You can put it, if you've got a flat top hibachi style griddle or grill, you can do it in that, okay? So any of those things will work great. We're gonna do it in the skillet this time. All right, now into the skillet is going to go a little bit of vegetable oil, all right? And then, you notice I'm using a slotted spoon because I don't want all of that marinade in there. Now, this is going to cook pretty quickly, so you want this at a pretty high temp going in. This already smells so good, you guys. I cannot wait to get this all cooked up, and then we're gonna taste it. Hey guys, our last batch of chicken is done. Look at that. Oh my goodness sakes. And would you believe this is a very healthy, low-fat dish to serve your family? Isn't that amazing? Okay, guys, well, everything is done. The ginger chicken got finished. And so we're just going to plate up just a little bit of everything. The braised broccoli. And the ginger and garlic rice pilaf. Oh, and don't forget, you guys, the inspiration for the whole meal is our homemade copycat Japanese steakhouse homemade ginger dressing. Let's try this ginger chicken. And I couldn't resist putting a little bit of that ginger dressing on it too. Wow, that's phenomenal. That is so good. You guys, when you marinate your foods in at least a combination of the dressings or the accompaniments that you're going to use with them, It makes all the difference in the world. All right, you guys, there you have it. A very easy, very healthy, flavorful meal that you can make right at home, and you don't have to pay all that money at a Japanese steakhouse to get all this flavor. You guys got to check that out, okay? And when you do, make sure you leave me a comment. And if you're not already subscribed, please do that for us. That really, really helps us out, and I'd love to hear from you. And you know what? That's a wrap for today, and we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.